Have you ever wondered how weather forecasters predict storms with such detail? It all comes down to sophisticated technology known as weather radar. Welcome to our detailed explanation of how weather radar works. Let's start with the basics of this essential tool. Weather radar is essentially an instrument used to locate precipitation, calculate its motion, and estimate its type and intensity. Its primary purpose is to help meteorologists track storms and issue timely warnings. The core principle of weather radar relies on radio waves. The radar unit transmits pulses of radio energy, which then interact with elements in the atmosphere. To truly understand how radar works, we need to delve into some fundamental physics, specifically the nature of electromagnetic energy. Radar uses specific radio frequencies within the electromagnetic spectrum. These waves travel at the speed of light, making them perfect for quickly detecting distant weather systems. The large, rotating dish of the radar unit focuses the radio energy into a narrow beam and transmits short, powerful pulses out into the atmosphere. This is the first step in gathering data. Once transmitted, the radio waves travel until they encounter objects in their path, specifically precipitation. When the radar pulse hits hydrometeors, things like raindrops, snowflakes, or hail, a small portion of that energy is scattered back toward the radar antenna. This process is known as backscattering. The radar dish then stops transmitting and acts as a receiver, listening for the faint returning signals, or echoes. The time it takes for the pulse to return determines the distance to the precipitation. The data collected from the echoes is complex, but the radar system processes it into meaningful measurements that meteorologists can use. One of the most common measurements is reflectivity, which is the intensity of the returned echo. Stronger echoes mean heavier precipitation, which is how weather maps show different colors for rain intensity. While traditional radar measures location and intensity, most modern weather radars utilize the Doppler effect to measure movement, leading to what we call Doppler radar. The Doppler function unlocks a critical dimension in weather forecasting, the ability to see how weather elements are moving. Doppler radar measures the radial velocity, that is, whether precipitation is moving toward or away from the radar site. This data is vital for assessing storm dynamics. By tracking movement, Doppler radar is crucial for detecting wind shear and identifying rotation within storms, which are key indicators of tornadic activity and severe weather. Weather radar technology continues to evolve, with dual polarization, or dual pol, being one of the most significant recent upgrades. Unlike previous radars that only transmitted horizontal pulses, dual pol radar transmits both horizontal and vertical pulses, collecting much more detailed information about precipitation particles. This two-dimensional view helps forecasters differentiate between rain, snow, hail, and even debris, leading to greater accuracy in warnings and forecasts. Weather radar is a marvel of physics and engineering that serves as the backbone of modern meteorology. In short, radar sends out a pulse, measures the time for the echo to return to determine distance, and analyzes the strength and phase of the echo to determine intensity and movement, translating it all into the colorful weather maps we see every day. This technology is indispensable for accurate forecasting and, most importantly, providing life-saving warnings for severe weather events like hurricanes and tornadoes. Thank you for watching.